Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. We're really looking forward to today's video because we're going to be bringing you along with us as we explore the newest new construction development in Ventura known as Del Sol. Now this Del Sol community is located in East Ventura off of Wells Road and Telegraph Road, and the builder is Shea Homes. Now there's three different options available here at the Del Sol community. There's going to be a mixture of townhomes and single family homes. So your townhomes are going to be referred to as the Primero. The first of the single family homes are going to be referred to as Novato. And then the third and the final and larger single family home options are going to be known as the Frescos. It is important to note that there are no single story properties here. So if you are looking for a single story or a single level home, please be sure to reach out to us, and we're more than happy to assist you in your home hunt of finding that single level home. Now, I also want to bring up to your attention that with each of the single family homes and the townhomes, there are several different floor plans and elevation plans that you get to select from, as well as an option to convert some of the lofts into an additional bedroom. So we already checked these out and they're really, really beautiful. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Now, if you're looking to purchase a home in a new home development, or maybe you're just considering purchasing a new home in a new home development, it's important to remember that the agents and the sales reps that work within the model home do work for and represent the builder. So they keep the builder's best interests at the forefront of their minds. So if you're looking for outside agent representation to ensure that you're being looked after through the entire process, please be sure to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to assist you and guide you from beginning to end. And also check out this video where we dive into the top 10 things you need to know prior to buying in a new home development. All right, everyone, thanks so much for sticking around and watching these property tour videos with us. We're really eager to hear some of your feedback, so let us know in the comment section below any comments you have, any questions you have, and we'll be more than happy to address those in a timely manner. And don't forget, while you're here, to hit that subscribe button, tap that bell icon so you continue to get notified every time we add content to our channel. So with that being said, make it a great day, and we're looking forward to seeing you in our next video.